You ever driven an R? I mean, this generation.
I think automatic one, not the manual. A buddy of mine's been trying to talk me into driving this manual. I keep refusing. so you're the only one that has been able to talk me into it.
You want me to hold that too?
So we're gonna go ahead and look at David Bello's new S60R. Take it for a test drive. I believe this is the 04.
That's right, first year.
Relatively nice interior. Needs a little bit of coloring update. Look at them blue gauges. Man, I have a set of those sitting in storage. Hey, get it up there.
The knob on this kind of doesn't work, so you have to use the steering wheel. It'll only go up, really.
Yeah, it has. My buddy has some nice bits. If you, he's been pulling parts for the other T5 engines and some of these cars and stuff. So,
Takes a bit of getting used to. It's nothing like the older ones.
That brake light is for the module.
Yeah.
System. Okay.
Yeah, and we don't have ABS either, so you got to stop in a hurry. Don't find dirt.
Vroom, vroom.
Have fun.
Man, that's a little shorter than I'm used to.
The 5.6 takes some getting used to, because I would usually go too far over, but it's real close.
Okay, so it's easier to get into 5. I'm in 5.
Yeah, isn't that weird? It feels like a 3.
Yeah, I'm in 5.
Oh, and brakes aren't that great.
As the struts are going in this thing, cause you can feel it dipping and dodging, but
They are rough. It feels like you're on some real stiff stuff. I thought they'd get softer, if anything.
No, man. Mine got so hard, every bump felt like I had hit the curb. Whoa, that thing could jump up there. Oh, yeah. Well, does this have the K24?
That's right.
Yeah, boy.
So it's all factory. I like that. And it came with a couple of service records. And it's from Hollywood, so it's heading back there pretty soon.
Oh, yeah.
And this thing's kind of wonky, too. It's all falling apart. And then I'm not really sure how to use this. There's no button on here for it. But
is it something somebody installed?
yeah.
Is it one of those Bronc units or whatever they call it?
I have no idea.
Yeah, maybe.
There might be an output on this radio, and I just can't find it. There's nothing in here, really.
All right, about to hit the freeway.
All right.
Here we go, people. Man, that's almost Ferrari fast. That RPM just gets up there. No ABS, so can't get too excited. Did I go? Yeah, okay, I went to 4. Did I go at 4 or 6?
Yeah, you have to trust it,
It's man, I don't know what that guy was talking about. It wasn't shifting that smooth. Oh, you said the cables are
Yeah. The harness was in the way, so it was just real. It's got a little bit of a clunk now. Probably just from the extra wear and tear of trying to get it to shift.
Yeah, muscling it.
Those first 2 pulls on the highway didn't quite feel right, so maybe it was acting up.
Well, I wasn't in Watt. I was far from it. I was probably like 60% or so. My buddy, his 06 broke a subframe bolt. And he had a tune in his. Well, he has a tune in his. He's probably pushing about 360.
I don't want to do anything
to
this.
I want to get my 2 cars close to what this is, close to 300, and then just leave them.
Yeah.
I'm putting an 18T in my yellow and a 19T with a billet in my wagon, just to get a little bit more of that I'm getting out of your way situation.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna leave them there. I'm not trying to break nothing. Those guys like trying to break stuff.
Is it going?
Yes,
All
we're
right.
back in business, people.
Try it. You really got to try it in first and second gear, because that's when you get a little bit of torque steer and it gets kind of scary.
Oh, it starts, trying to jump out of your hand.
It's fun.
Oh, can't go this way.
Oh, and the turning radius is terrible.
Is it?
Yeah.
I believe it, man. P2 car.
Were your cars parked? Like if it was turned around and you can't swing into Bay 1 without making a 3-point turn at Thomas's. Yeah, that feels a little better.
Oh, yeah. That's That was when we first started, so it must have went out when I jumped on the interstate. We can take this bus since it's stopping.
What do you think about the brakes? I know they're real.
Freaking that car jumped down to the ground, man.
It'll jump, but then they like the regular braking feels real soft to me, just because they're real grooved and narrow right now, and they whine too, just because.
Well, somebody probably, if they've been having IBS, dude, IBS don't normally use pads that are too cheap.
Nah, these are just old brakes.
Okay. Well, I sold a pair of these calipers and stuff.
Yeah.
People love them, man.
Oh yeah.
Man, yeah, it pulled it down. It didn't feel out of control either just now when I hit the brake.
Okay, good.
Probably just need some new fluid, bled out.
Yeah.
ABS module.
I'm picking up some rotors tomorrow.
You going to ceramic
You hear that?
or what? Yeah, I hear it. Sounds like it's coming from back.
No, as soon as you hit the brake, it'll go away. I think they're so grooved that there's just a little vibration in the gap. Yeah. It's funny. I'm gonna do the original. I think it's a semi-metallic, right?
Okay. I think you might be safer if you go ceramic, man, because the semi-metallic gets so hot they'll warp them rotors, man. Unless you get like the best rotors you could get, you'll be like 2 weeks. You'll be freaking shaking the steering wheel mad.
Oh man.
Because your rotors are going bad already.
Yeah, it howls.
Get back on the freeway. Yeah, I bet if you replace the fluid in here, man, you'll be probably pretty happy with that. It's still a little bouncy. These struts are gone, man.
Yeah, I'm just hoping, because they're expensive.
Yeah, the backs are real hard to replace too. You would have to strap them to replace them. The rear. Yeah, I was going to get one of these for my daughter, a T5 version, not the R version. And I was like, hey, I got on it. She's like, man, really, I like my S70.
Yeah?
I was like, really? I'm like, okay. She's in love with her car. And her car's in great shape. I keep it up.
How many miles are on that?
About 210, 220.
I don't want you to let her rip a little bit.
All right, let's grab it, baby.
That doesn't feel very fast.
I'm gonna get on the freeway and hit it. Get on the freeway.
I don't know. It still felt like it was back in limp mode.
Yeah, it did. It didn't feel as strong as it did the first couple times I pulled.
Yeah. You want to try shut her down one more time?
All right.
Sorry to make you go the long way. I just, yeah.
I ain't got. I'm kind of chilling today. I'm gonna empty out the back of that car, replace that shock. I don't believe we don't have a boost cage.
Not yet. Yeah, IPDs takes up that vent, and I like my vents. So
yeah, I like my vents too.
I don't want to.
Oh yeah. You see me coming?
Yeah.
Like I ain't getting out in front of that.
Most comfortable seats ever, too.
Man, I would fall asleep in these things.
Yeah.
And they hold you just right. It don't feel like it's pulling or nothing.
Yeah.
It's just like a nice, comfortable hold. Dang, man, it still got pull even in fifth.
It's got a double overdrive, so 5 and 6, and they're real close together, so it's pretty good for fuel economy. But I'll know once my screen's up. You think you ever see yourself in one of these?
Man, probably. My buddy up there in Kalamazoo, he's going bunkers over his, but, he's going to, I think, probably increase the power on his, something crazy. This is like, you could accidentally just take off on this thing. And you would have to intentionally not drive aggressive. In most cars, you're like, I'm going to drive aggressive.
Exactly.
No, in this car, you're like, I'm going to not drive aggressive.
It's meek. I think meek is the best word for it. It's got power, but it's just tame. It doesn't have to show off. Okay, what's the verdict?
Man, let me tell you, for a very economical car with this kind of speed and features, you can't beat it.